Welcome back, everybody. We got another unboxing slash initial review video for you guys. Today we're going to be unboxing the heavy hauler cupped and committed flying decoy. Let's see what we got. There's the body. There's the head. See if we can snap this thing together. Okay, so I had to find a piece of 3/4 inch PVC pipe to put this on for right now. It's a little bit big. I'll try to find something else to use in the future. I'll have to look at the website, see what they recommend. But overall, it doesn't look too bad. It's kind of small, but it is fully flocked, black and white. It really does stand out. Only have like a 7 to 8 mile an hour breeze, and we're in town. This backyard's pretty well protected, so not moving a whole lot. Did have a little action here a minute ago. There we go. A little breeze came up. Kind of show you the action on that there. Overall, not too bad. I think it's really going to help get attention. I'm not really a big fan of flagging, or if you're sitting in a A-frame or a fence line or something and you're not out in the decoys where you can't flag, this would be an excellent option. I can't wait to get out and use it. I hope you like this video. Until next time, see you later.